Okay, so today we are working on a water source heat pump, and the problem with this unit was it was keep blowing fuses, 24-volt fuses. So I have opened up the electrical panel here, and this is the wire coming from the transformer secondary winding, 24-volt, going to the port through that fuse here. And this is the fuse got blown, and what I did, I just made a temporary fuse, 5 amps fuse here, just to test the circuit, and connected with the board, so that just for the troubleshooting purpose. So I have opened up the thermostat wire, the R wire. It's just a troubleshooting step. So I just want to make sure the thermostat is not short, or the wiring of the thermostat is not short. Okay, I already turned on the breaker from that panel. Let's turn on the main power here. Now, okay, so the LED is blinking, so that means something is going on with the thermostat wire. And here is the thermostat. I wired it through the unit, so without battery, and this is the wire going. If we trace it, it's too dark. Let me turn on the, how can I turn on? Okay, let's trace this wire. I have turned on the flashlight. And see here, that's the new unit. Yeah, so it's a drywall screw. They have messed up with the thermostat wire, so it should be touching with the R wire. That's why it was keep blowing fuses, or maybe R and the common wire are touching. Okay, let's turn off the power. We're gonna pull up the thermostat wire. Okay, so I have pulled up the thermostat wire. The drywall was screwed right through that wire, and it was causing 34-volt to short. So I'm gonna tear that wire, gonna repair that. Okay, so 3 wire were short together, that green wire, red wire, and the orange wire. So orange is common, so it was shorting R2 common. Yeah, here. Yeah. Okay, so that was the reason it was keep blowing the fuses. Okay, so I have repaired the wire with the electrical tape, and I'm just leaving that 5 amps fuse, which I made specifically for the testing, because I don't have the original fuse with me, but it's the same 5 amps, and everything is looking okay. I put back the thermostat R wire back to the board. Okay, so this is a water source heat pump, so water valve are open. So we have power at the thermostat. Fan is on. Let's test it on the heat board. Increase the temperature for testing. It's gonna take 5 minutes as a delay. Okay, so the compressor is on. The unit is working on the heat board. And here is the temperature. It's increasing. I'm going to let it run for 15 minutes. So it's a new startup. Condo buildings under the construction, so we installed all these heat pump into this building. I think almost 20 heat pumps, and doing the startup. Okay, that's it. I just wanted to share that troubleshooting of the low voltage short.